Hello to all you wonderful people of YouTube. This is Vincent from Wonders of London, and I hope you're all doing well and having a good day. And one interesting thing about history, I love history, but one interesting thing is, had you come here on the 16th of October 1834 in the morning, you would have seen something completely different from what we're looking at right now. And had you come back on the 16th of October 1834 after 6 p.m, you would have seen something equally completely different from what we're looking at right now. What you would have seen after 6 p.m. was a great fire engulfing the former Houses of Parliament that we're looking at over here. They're also known as Westminster Palace or the Palace of Westminster. And the former Houses of Parliament were actually engulfed and mostly destroyed by a great fire that occurred in 1834, which is a very, very sad thing. And in fact, hundreds, if not thousands of Londoners came to watch the fire, and one of these Londoners was a famous artist, a famous painter called J.M.W. Turner, and he painted scenes of this great fire. So if you ever want to see what that fire looked like and what the old palace looked like, look up J.M.W. Turner's paintings of the great fire at the Houses of Parliament in 1834. And in fact, had you been here on the 16th of October 1834, it would have been markedly different. And in fact, there is only a tiny bit that survives from that great fire, and part of the bit that survived from the former Palace of Westminster or Houses of Parliament is just over here, the Jewel Tower. And it gives you an idea of what the former Palace of Westminster actually looked like. So it is quite a phenomenal thing to look at, and it's just amazing looking at the history of London, and it is something at Wonders of London we love very, very much. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit the like button, and of course subscribe for more amazing videos and histories from London. Do have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.